Hi guys, I'm gonna pronounce a word that we use a lot, and this word is cough. Cough. And you can say, I have a cough. I have a terrible cough. On the topic of illnesses and how I'm feeling today, you can also say headache. Headache. Not headache or headache. You must say headache. With this word ache, we can use it to describe pain in certain parts of the body. For example, headache, earache, toothache, backache, and stomachache.